Hydration is a major topic these days. Do you think that really work? No, I don't think that really work.
And lastly, ma'am, the mother in me cannot control but ask, is there any one superfood that you would suggest?
Sakshi, rather than asking me about the superfood, I would suggest ask me about the immunity boosting food. Ask me about the metabolism raising food. ये फूड आइटम आपके बच्चे के इन्फेक्शन से फाइट करने में आपको हेल्प कर सकते हैं. ये फूड आइटम आपको उनको किसी भी तरीके की एलर्जी से फाइट करने में हेल्प कर सकते हैं. दे आर द बेस्ट सोर्स जो आपकी बॉडी की बोन्स को ग्रोथ करने में हेल्प कर सकते हैं.
Hi everyone, Namaste. I am Sakshi Mittal and welcome to my blog. Today we have dietitian Shweta Nakra with us. She is a celebrity expert. She is a dietitian. She's a nutritionist. And today we are talking food with her and the relevance of it in our lives. Hello, ma'am.
Hi Sakshi, how are you?
I'm very good, ma'am. It's always a pleasure to meet you.
Same here, pleasure is all mine, Sakshi.
Thank you, ma'am. Shall we start?
Yeah.
So, Shweta, ma'am, the one question that I'm still looking an answer for is that how do I manage my cravings in a healthy way?
To manage craving, you should manage your satiety level. And how to manage your satiety level? You have to give optimum sleep to your body, you have to hydrate well, you have to maintain your stress hormone, and you have to give frequent meals to the body. Do not indulge in only breakfast, lunch and dinner, but make sure that you are having small and frequent meals. This will give you a full satisfaction, satiety, and your craving can be cured with this phenomena.
Ma'am, given that summer is just around the corner, can you suggest some fun ways to stay hydrated throughout the day?
That's a very big thing. Hydration is a major topic these days. Like,
Right.
हम हर जगह पे यही सुनते हैं कि have 2 to 3 liters of water in a day, keep yourself hydrated. कई लोगों को तो मैंने ये भी सुनते हुए देखा है कि keep reminders on the phone. But do you think that really work? No, I don't think that really works. What you have to do, make small changes in your diet. What is easy? You are free in the morning. You are at peaceful state of mind in the morning. Start your day with water. Not only water, you can start up with ghee water, haldi shot. You can have ginger, lemon tea early in the morning. You are free and peaceful at that point of time. That is very easy for you to keep yourself hydrated. End your day with water. That is very easy. And during the day, keep yourself hydrated with other sources of hydrations like have coconut water, aloe vera juice, neembu pani, chach, lassi. This is the way where you can maintain your hydration and pH levels.
Another question, ma'am, that we get a lot is how do we plan our meals while traveling?
While we are traveling, we tend to walk more. We are already having a good amount of exercising in the form of cardio. So if indulging in little more calories than usual, it is okay. But आपको छोटे छोटे पॉइंट्स जो है वो अपनी डाइट में ध्यान रखने चाहिए. जैसे कि अगर आप बुफे में हैं तो हम अपनी प्लेट को वाइड वैरायटी ऑफ फूड से डेकोरेट नहीं करेंगे. अगर हम बुफे में हैं तो हमें ये ध्यान रखना है वी हैव टू हैव स्मॉल पोर्शंस. अकॉर्डिंग टू मी हैव स्मॉल पोर्शन ऑफ कार्ब, स्मॉल पोर्शन ऑफ प्रोटीन एंड फाइबर. लाइक अगर आप स्मॉल पोर्शन ऑफ पोहा ले रहे हैं, आप उपमा ले रहे हैं विद 2 eggs या 1 glass of milk with little amount of fiber in the form of salad and fruit, that will give you satiety. If you have to indulge in binge eating, like if you want to cheat and you have to have a junk, then lunch is the best solution. You can have wide variety of junk but restrict the quantity. अगर आप पिज्जा ले रहे हैं तो restrict the quantity to 2 to 3 slices. If you are taking burger, it should be without mayonnaise. If you want to have fries, then only fries should be your option. Do not mix too many junk foods together. The major thing that you have to work on is hydrate yourself. Again, a key to this question. And one thing more, do not have cake, pastries, chocolate during traveling so that you are not compiling your calories to another level.
Having said that, ma'am, how do I plan my meal in a way that it gives me energy and keeps my weight stable?
Your planning of meal should be based on 6 important principles. You should plan your day and diet. You should have complex carbohydrate from carbohydrate sources. You should have lean protein during the day. You should have ample amount of roughage and fiber to maintain your vitamins and mineral, and hydrate yourself. You should hydrate yourself. You should drink ample amount of water, which I've already told you to take. You should have a stress control management. You should sleep well at the end. And finally, exercise well.
मैम आजकल बहुत ज़्यादा अवेयरनेस बढ़ गई है इन टर्म्स ऑफ विटामिन B12 एंड विटामिन D3. So are there any other vitamins that we as individuals should be concerned about?
Yes, Sakshi, there are many vital nutrients that are getting back seats. Like अगर हम बात करें vitamin D and vitamin B12, they are very common deficiencies that is happening to each and every individual, particularly to vegetarians. Because in vegetarian diet there is no sources of vitamin B12 and D, so they are common deficiencies. Few vitamins that we are lacking in are magnesium,
Right.
folate, iron, vitamin B6. They are backseated.
Right.
Like we do not know about them, we do not get them tested, and this is the reason that many of the individual females and girls are getting anxiety issues, they are getting stressed out, and they do not know the reason for that. तो हमें ये भी ध्यान रखना है कि हमारी बॉडी के अंदर किस विटामिन की डेफिशिएंसी हो रही है, ये हमें ध्यान रखना है. सिर्फ विटामिन डी एंड B12 की डेफिशिएंसी सिर्फ एक ऐसी डेफिशिएंसी नहीं है जिसको हमें टेकन केयर ऑफ करना है. देयर आर फ्यू अदर मिनरल्स एंड विटामिन जिसको हमें देखना है इनकी डेफिशिएंसी से हमारी बॉडी के अंदर क्या कमी हो सकती है. जैसे कि आपने देखा होगा कि बहुत सारी लेडीज हैं जो आजकल वीकनेस फील करती हैं, नमनेस फील करती है, स्लीप एपनिया की प्रॉब्लम उनको रही है. ये जो डेफिशिएंसी है ये मैग्नीशियम, फोलेट, B6 की डेफिशिएंसी बहुत ही कॉमन है जिसको हमें टेक केयर करना है.
And lastly, ma'am, the mother in me cannot control but ask, is there any one superfood that you would suggest every child to take in the diet?
Sakshi, rather than asking me about the superfood, I would suggest ask me about the immunity boosting food. Ask me about the metabolism raising food. ये फूड आइटम आपके बच्चे के इन्फेक्शन से फाइट करने में आपको हेल्प कर सकते हैं. ये फूड आइटम आपको उनको किसी भी तरीके की एलर्जी से फाइट करने में हेल्प कर सकते हैं. दे आर द बेस्ट सोर्स जो आपकी बॉडी की बोन्स को ग्रोथ करने में हेल्प कर सकते हैं. तो हमें किन चीज़ों के ऊपर ध्यान रखना है? डार्क ग्रीन वेजिटेबल्स like पालक, केल, ब्रोकली, दे आर दैट काइंड ऑफ अ सुपर फूड जो आपके बच्चों की बोन्स को ग्रोथ देने में हेल्प कर सकते हैं. मेरा तो ये स्ट्रॉन्ग बिलीव है, फ्यूल योर बॉडी सो दैट दे गिव यू अ बेटर ग्रोथ. एंड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली, अगर आज हम अपने बच्चों को ये सिखा रहे हैं हाउ टू ईट वेल, व्हाट आर द न्यूट्रिटिव प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ अ फूड, योर जनरेशन आर गेटिंग सुपरवाइज्ड विद दैट.
Right.
तो मेरा मानना ये है आज की जनरेशन को अगर हम ये सारी चीज़ें सिखा रहे हैं तो हम अपनी फ्यूचर जनरेशन को भी सुधार रहे हैं.
Ma'am, there's this one question, and that is, how does a person know what his daily caloric intake should be?
Daily caloric need, it is a very important source of information that I'm sharing it with you. Daily caloric need differs with person, age, height, gender and the lifestyle. अगर हमारा sedentary lifestyle है तो maybe we must be needing approximately 1200 to 1400 calories. अगर हमारा moderate lifestyle है तो we must be needing around 1500 to 1800 calories. ऐसे ही अगर हमारा heavy lifestyle है तो we must be needing around 2000 to 2200 of calories. But अगर हमें exact information about the daily caloric need जानना है तो we should do our BMI. What is BMI? Body Mass Index. That will give you a exact ratio of what your muscles are, what are your protein and minerals reservoir, what is your visceral fat. That is the exact information about your body frame.
Okay.
So if you want to have an exact daily caloric intake, then you should go for BMI analysis.
Okay. Thank you so much, Shweta ma'am. That was one informative session, and I'm sure the viewers must have loved it and learned a lot from it.
Thank you, Sakshi, for having me here, and I hope I have done justice to your podcast.
Namaste.
Namaste.